the correct way to crowdfund is forget about launching your campaign. That should be near the bottom of the list. There's many, many things to be done prior to launching a crowdfunding campaign. Now, of course, the basics involve building your stack specific. I'm not talking about your general business marketing stack. I'm talking about building a specific stack for a crowdfunding campaign. You need to know what tools go within this stack. And then you spend a period of testing and optimizing creative copy. You can do that in a general way. It doesn't have to be related to a crowdfunding offer. And we now have a thing, as you mentioned earlier, TTW, testing the waters. What are you doing? You're basically doing a pre-launch and at the same time gathering expressions of interest that you can then leverage when your campaign goes live. However, we know that only around 30% of those will invest in your campaign. So what do you have to do during the pre-launch period, besides testing marketing assets, building them, of course, testing some of the tools that you're going to be using. Besides all of that, you then have to make sure that the data you're receiving can be analyzed during that period. And then you make smart decisions when your campaign is live.